Introduction to Meditation, Basic Concepts and Benefits. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Calm Reflections, where we delve into the fascinating world of meditation. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the fundamental concepts of meditation and explore its incredible benefits for our mind, body, and overall well-being. Meditation is an ancient practice that has stood the test of time, offering countless individuals a pathway to tranquility, self-discovery, and inner peace. Whether you're new to meditation or have some experience, this video will serve as a helpful guide to get you started or deepen your existing practice. So, grab a comfortable seat, take a few deep breaths, and join us on this transformative journey into the world of meditation. What is meditation? Let's begin by exploring the profound essence of meditation and gaining a deeper understanding of what it truly entails. Meditation is not just a temporary escape from the chaos of daily life, it is a transformative practice that opens the doors to self-discovery, inner peace, and a profound connection with our true selves. At its core, meditation invites us to pause, to be fully present in the here and now, and to embrace the richness of each moment without judgment or attachment. It is a process of training our minds, just as we would train our bodies through exercise. Through regular meditation practice, we cultivate the ability to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting entangled in them, allowing us to gain clarity and perspective in our lives. By creating a sanctuary within ourselves, we discover an infinite wellspring of peace, joy, and wisdom that exists within every one of us. Meditation is not about emptying the mind or forcing ourselves into a state of bliss. Rather, it is about embracing the full spectrum of our human experience and finding equanimity amidst the ebb and flow of life. As we delve deeper into the practice, we begin to unravel the layers of conditioning, stress, and distractions, revealing our authentic selves and aligning with our true purpose. 2. Benefits of meditation. Now, let's explore the remarkable benefits that meditation offers, transforming not only our inner landscape, but also our overall well-being. One of the most profound benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety, allowing us to find a sense of calm and inner peace in the midst of life's challenges. By practicing mindfulness and cultivating present moment awareness, we develop the capacity to respond to stressful situations with clarity and composure, rather than reacting impulsively. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can have a positive impact on our physical health as well, strengthening the immune system, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, meditation nurtures our mental and emotional well-being by enhancing our self-awareness and emotional intelligence. It enables us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, cultivating a compassionate and non-reactive stance towards ourselves and others. Through this process, we become more attuned to our own needs and emotions, fostering healthier relationships and a greater sense of empathy and understanding. Additionally, meditation has been shown to improve focus, concentration, and cognitive function, allowing us to navigate our tasks and responsibilities with greater clarity and efficiency. It also nurtures our creativity, as it opens the door to fresh insights and innovative ideas by quieting the mental chatter and creating space for inspiration to arise. Ultimately, the benefits of meditation extend beyond our individual selves, radiating outwards to positively impact our relationships, communities, and the world at large. Three basic meditation techniques. Now that we understand the core concepts, let's delve into some basic meditation techniques that you can incorporate into your practice. One common and accessible technique is sitting meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit in a relaxed position. Close your eyes or lower your gaze, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to become your anchor in the present moment. As thoughts or distractions arise, simply observe them without judgment, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Another technique you can explore is walking meditation. Find a peaceful location, whether indoors or outdoors, and walk slowly and deliberately. Pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movements of your body, and the surrounding environment. With each step, cultivate a sense of mindfulness and presence, fully engaging your senses in the experience of walking. If you prefer a more structured approach, mantra meditation can be a powerful practice. Choose a calming word or phrase, such as peace or love. Repeat the mantra silently or aloud, allowing its rhythm and meaning to permeate your being, and to serve as a focal point for your attention. As your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the mantra, allowing it to bring you back to the present moment. Remember, the key to these techniques is patience and consistency. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. For getting started with meditation. Now that you're inspired to begin your meditation journey, let's discuss how you can get started and establish a regular practice. Creating a dedicated space for meditation can enhance your experience and make it easier to integrate meditation into your daily routine. Choose a quiet and comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down without distractions. It could be a corner of your home, a cozy cushion, or even a designated room. Personalize this space with elements that bring you a sense of peace and serenity, such as candles, plants, or meaningful objects. Next, decide on a consistent time for your meditation practice. It could be in the morning to start your day on a calm note, or in the evening to unwind and relax. Start with shorter sessions, around 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable and confident. To support your practice, there are various meditation apps and online resources available that offer guided meditations, timers, and helpful tips. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you. It's perfectly fine to explore and mix different approaches to find your unique meditation style. Remember, meditation is a practice, and like any skill, it develops and deepens with consistency and patience. Be kind to yourself and let go of expectations. The goal is not to achieve a particular outcome, but to cultivate a state of awareness and presence. Lastly, approach your meditation practice with curiosity and an open mind. Each session is an opportunity for self-discovery and inner exploration. As we come to the end of this video, we hope that you've gained valuable insights into the world of meditation and its profound benefits. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and it unfolds uniquely for each individual. Embrace the process and be patient with yourself as you embark on this path of self-discovery. Make a commitment to incorporate meditation into your daily life, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Consistency is key. Allow meditation to become a refuge amidst the busyness of life, a time to nourish your mind, body, and soul. We encourage you to explore further, try different techniques, and seek guidance or community support if desired. May your meditation practice bring you inner peace, clarity, and a profound connection with yourself and the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, the transformative power of meditation lies within you.